Long before polymers, plastics, and composites, there was rubber, elastic, waterproof, resilient, and alive. Over 3,000 years ago, deep in the jungles of Central and South America, civilizations like the Olmecs and Mayans tapped a strange, milky white fluid from special trees, latex. By heating it and smoking it over open fires, they hardened it into waterproof footwear, coated fabrics, and bouncy balls for ritual games. Rubber was more than useful. To them, it was sacred. When European explorers first saw it in the 1500s, they were astonished. It bounced. It repelled water. They had never seen anything quite like it. Centuries later in England, Joseph Priestley even found it could rub out pencil marks. This gave rubber its name. Despite the wonder, rubber had a fatal flaw. In the cold it cracked, in the heat it melted. For centuries, rubber remained a fragile curiosity. Investors lost fortunes on rubber goods that rotted or turned sticky. Industry needed a breakthrough. In the 1830s, Nathaniel Hayward discovered that sulfur reduced rubber's stickiness. He patented the idea, but it was Charles Goodyear, a struggling American inventor, who saw further. In 1839, by chance, he dropped a sulfur rubber mix onto a hot iron surface. Instead of melting, it cured, tough, elastic, and resistant to heat. The process was named vulcanization, after Vulcan, the Roman god of fire. Meanwhile, in England, Thomas Hancock was making similar experiments. He patented vulcanization in 1843, just months before Goodyear's U.S. claim. A transatlantic dispute followed, but history remembers all three: Hayward for the clue, Goodyear for the breakthrough, and Hancock for securing its place in industry. Together, they transformed rubber from a soft, unstable novelty into a cornerstone of modern life, shaping transportation, machinery, and the world. And the journey was only just beginning.